Okay, everyone knows about this term. Binary search. Yep. What is binary search? Why it is used actually? So first of all, like it is getting used for. So can we use binary search to optimize the arrays? Right? Optimize the search capability. Okay. So you can perform search in one half, which is like let's say log n, where n is the length of the given array. Okay. Mostly, I would say it's used in the sorted arrays. Why mostly? I will see why I said sorted arrays, sorted structures. Okay. What is the third thing? We will, yes, divide and conquer. Someone has told. We have to just left out the one part and work on the rest of the half. That is called. If someone wants to make best use of binary search, there is a method in Java from the collections package, which is like collections.binary search. Collections.binary search. Collection.binary search. Just take a look. So this is like very helpful method and very useful method. So binary search seems to be very easy, but it's not that level of easy because there are a couple of great problems will be can be done, and we are going to see in various sessions. It's only about a few problems which we are going to do it up. So I thought to give a glimpse of it. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Okay, simple. What we have given two arrays, two sorted arrays, nums1, nums2, of two different sizes. M and N, it is depicting two different sizes, right? What you have to do, you have to return the median of two sorted. Median of two sorted. Okay. It's saying we'll come to this later. Okay, later. But it's saying like we have to return the median of the two sorted arrays. Okay. Two arrays has been given to you. Let's say take any example of the arrays. We'll move Excalibur here. Two sorted arrays has been given. This is like here are 1, this is like here are 2, this is like 2, 8, 13, 40. 1, 3, 5. Okay, both are sorted arrays, A1, A2. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the median. What is median? In means of all the values, what is median? Median is high minus low by 2. What is mean by median? Median is the middle element in the sorted array. Okay, so there are two different V's where there are two different values we can just calculate. It's like there can be two scenarios. One is like even, and one is like even, one is like okay. So even, if you want to take out for the even elements, how we are going to calculate the even? So 1, 3, okay. Even if I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say array has been given like this. Well, that means what? That means we are having the even number of elements. So let's say I will sort this. We have to calculate median of two sorted. 1, 2, 3, 5, 12, 13, 14. Correct. What will be the median then? The median will be middle two elements, because this array is even. Middle will be these two elements. Okay. The average these two. Average of these two. Okay. What about the odd elements? Let's say I'm having elements like this 1, 3, 5, 2, 8, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 12, 13. Okay. What is the odd element? So for odd length, median is the middle element. Okay, this is 12. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I'm sorry. This is like I have drawn wrongly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We have the 6 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the middle element average. Okay. For odd length, if I wanted to talk about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, let's say this is a odd length. This is a odd length. Here, the median will be like the single length. This is the single length. Okay, understood. Now we have given two array. Okay, we have given two arrays. Do you think the brute force way how to identify the median of these two arrays? Solution would be merge step or merge sort. Everyone knows merge sort. Okay, and finding the median. So merge sort is like merging elements. You know, like there is a merge algorithm in the merge sort. And what we are going to do in the merge algorithm, we are going to take two values. Okay, we are going to take two values. What are those two values? Let's say if I'm going to write it up here, but this requires one additional data structure. For example, let's say, let me just proceed further. One simple array, 1, 2, 8, 9. 1, 2, 8, 9, and this is like 10. Okay. Now, what I will do, I need to perform merge sort here. Okay, instead of merge algorithm, I will create one additional data structure. Okay, additional data structure, let's say array. This is of size m, this is of size n. I will create here the size m plus n. Okay, m plus n. And here, what we can do, we'll put one pointer here. Okay, L1. So this is one pointer here, L2. Okay, and here one pointer, let's say L3. Why I'm putting it till end? Because you know that this arrays is sorted, and this place can be filled with any of these two elements which is greater. Based on these two, apart from these two elements, there is no other element which is greater. Okay. What is the bigger one? Bigger element is 10. I will just put it up here 10. Okay. I will add it up here 10. Let me just remove this part. I will add it up here 10. Okay. Once this is done, move this pointer and I will reach to L2 here. And this is L3. Okay. 2 and 9, which is bigger? 9. So 9 will come here. Okay. Move this point. Okay. Now I will come here to L2. 2 and 8, which is bigger? 8. 8 will come here. And I will just move here to L3. Now here, this L2 will, okay. L2 will proceed further. L2 will proceed further. And there is no other bigger value. Because this array is gone out. This array is gone out. That means any of the arrays is gone out. Whatever the remaining pointer arrays is remaining, just put it up directly. 2, 1. And we are done. We have merged it. And once we have created this auxiliary array, aux array, now we know by m and n, like what is the length, it's like even or odd. After knowing that, if it is like even, we can calculate the median of two middle elements. Okay. else it is like this is odd. So what we will do, we are going to just tell this is the median error. Understood? What is the time complexity here? Time complexity is like in the worst case, not in the worst case, yeah, we have to, anyhow, we have to iterate and full elements. Okay, calculate and create in the auxiliary array. So order of m plus n is the time complexity. Base complexity, also order of m plus n because we have created one extra space. Understood?